In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Udemy course effortlessly. If you've taken an engaging course and you feel the urge to spread the knowledge, I'm here to guide you through sharing that with friends, colleagues, or anyone who might benefit from it. So, let's dive right in. First, you need to open your preferred web browser and search for Udemy. Once on the Udemy website, you'll want to log into your account. You've got two options here. Enter your password, or if you prefer a more seamless experience and your organization uses it, you can log in using Single Sign-On, also known as SSO. Simplifying your login process just makes everything else easier down the line. After you're logged in, the next step is to navigate to your courses. You'll want to open the course you're planning to share. This might be one you're currently taking yourself, or perhaps it's a favorite you've completed and want others to check out. Once you open the course, pay attention to the layout on the screen. Always helpful to familiarize yourself with this, as it's designed to be user-friendly. Now, here's where the sharing magic happens. Direct your focus to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a little icon that looks like a share symbol. It typically resembles an arrow pointing outwards. Clicking this icon opens up a range of options for sharing the course. You have choices on how you can circulate the course. If you're inclined towards a straightforward approach, you can simply copy the link given. By clicking on the link provided and pasting it wherever you need, you can share it with anyone via text, in a document. Even embed it into a presentation to pique interest during meetings. Alternatively, if you fancy using social media or email to reach out, Udemy has made this incredibly easy too. Right next to where you saw that shareable link, you'll notice icons for Facebook, X, formerly known as Twitter, and email. Clicking any of these icons allows you to share directly through these platforms. Just follow the prompts that guide you to post or send the course information to your friends or followers, making sure you add a personal message if you'd like, to entice them with what's inside the course. Being personable can be the little nudge someone needs to dive in. And there you have it. Sharing a Udemy course is as simple as that. It's always nice to spread knowledge and help out others who might be searching for exactly what this course offers. Thanks for tuning in, and happy sharing.